This is the easiest way to add or remove a watch strap to your Coros watch. Now you can see right here, there's two different ends. One is longer, one is shorter. Now the shorter end is actually gonna go on the top of the watch. We're gonna start with this. And you can see right here, if we flip over this strap like I've done so here, you'll actually see there's this very small slider just by my pointer finger. And what you're gonna wanna do with these two metal prongs is you can see if we just put our finger on them, one end will actually go in all the way like I've done so here. So we're gonna wanna flip this over. And you can actually see once one end is in, you can basically just put it in the small holes just on the watch. Now this is the top side, keep that in mind. And then once you've done that, you want to use the little slider. I'm just going to use my thumb. It's easier if you just put it down, face down on the table, but you can see right here, it locks into place, and we can do the same for the other arm like so. The longer arm, again, make sure it's on the bottom side of the watch. You can turn it on to be sure. And you can see right here, we want to push in the metal end to get one end completely long. You can basically just place this in place. Again, use the slider so it actually clicks into place. And if you want to remove it, you can always do it the same way. Again, just use the slider, just pull one in like so, and bang, you can easily remove the watch strap or just add a new one like that. That's just the easiest way by far. Just keep in mind that the shorter end with the watch strap goes on the top, while the longer end sits on the bottom. Sometimes it's just nice to change watch straps, so I've also linked all of my favorite watch straps and accessories in the description below if you're interested. But thank you for watching and have a great day.